Good morning, everybody. Used to think I was going to wait for people to join, but I don't think so. I'm going to get this set up, and then we're literally going to go right into the call outs. Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning. What is this, like Wednesday or something? Wednesday. Yep. All right. That's the 24th. Oh, no way. It actually took the right thing. Yay. I don't have to change one of these things now. Well, that's good to know. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. I think we're all set on YouTube. Let's get us flying high on TikTok. Yep, we're live on TikTok. Get our little. All right. I think we're good all over. Oh, I don't see TikTok yet. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. There we go. What's up, Rico? I don't know, Boo Bags, Forex. What's up, everybody on TikTok? Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Jason Roby, Kelly McMahon, Jay Parker, Dunfield, Mr. C, Nathan, Orlando, Walters, and Raider Trader. All right, cool. Let's hope we don't have any hiccups this morning when they do all their silly shit. All right, where's all my shit at? Oh, there. Oh, they're weird. Hmm. Hey, what you guys are looking at? Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Ore. Good morning, Orlando. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Okay. You want consistent profits? I'll show you how, but you still won't do it. Okay. Well, that's pretty direct. You want consistent profits, but yet you still won't do it. No, that sounds not as accurate as you can give it. Uh-uh. Morning, D Nice. Morning, Rico. Morning, Larry Cooper. Thank you for being on both, Corey and Larry. What's up, Solace? NASCAR's no stop Aspire. Nice. Good morning, Solace. And it was fired, by the way. Someone else mentioned that in the Discord. Okay, what you're looking at is the Holy Grail trade. Holy Grail trade. Holy Grail trade. Both buys and sells. And it's working. And we're about to release it probably this time next week. The Holy Grail trade will be set up. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the Holy Grail trade, it's going to be supposedly a trade that cannot miss. Guess we'll see how that works out. Oh no, did it freeze already? Aye. Good morning, Guy Berger. Good morning, John C. If everyone on YouTube can head over to TikTok, that would be awesome. We got our Vegas house, but not quite yet. They're being douches. I don't think we'll ever know from a company again. They want a driver's license. You can't send it through Verbo. I should have just ran it from an individual. But oh well. Morning, good morning, good morning. All right, now let's see if, there we go. All right, Holy Grail trade. Specifically going to be done for SPX and NAS. Most likely will be done for gold, also in US 30. But it is done for NAS and SPX. These are some test runs we were doing. Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. For those of you in Tier 1, you'll be getting one Holy Grail trade a month. And we also have some more exciting news for you. In Tier 2, you'll be getting 2 Holy Grail trades a month if they happen. I mean, that's up to God whether they happen 2 or more times. Tier 3, you're going to get the Holy Grail trade unlimited. Holy Grail trades. These are the supposed trades that cannot miss. I let God have the final say in everything, but other than, I don't know, zebras losing their stripes and becoming cheetahs, it should be a trade that never misses. This will be almost for sure be done by the end of next week. A free upgrade again, a gift from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. That'll be going into the Holy Grail signals starting next week. How I have those go are probably just going to be market order. You see a trade in the Holy Grail, you just take it. It says a buy, you open up a demo buy. It says a sell, you open up a demo sell. And those are your Holy Grail trades. Can't believe we're there, but we are. In addition to that, we are going to have, roughly speaking, a half dozen other symbols being called out that are going to be basically the equivalent of Holy Grail trades for each symbol. And those are going to be handled in an unlimited way for Tier 1, unlimited for Tier 2, and unlimited for Tier 3. This is on top of all your normal signals that you all receive. So the Holy Grail trades will be active by the end of next week. Lord willing, barring any kind of problems I see when we're doing it. And then you're going to be getting Everybody gets them into their Holy Grail trade signal rooms. It's the only way they will go. You won't get these on your charts. Can't have them on your charts. And then you're going to be having, I don't know how we're going to word it, what this is going to be called. Then you're going to be having another free upgrade, which is going to be the equivalent of Holy Grail trade. But slightly different. Be called for gold. We'll see which symbols I put in there eventually that respond the best to it. Most likely GBP, JPY. And then those will be going into a separate room also. And they'll be a trade that just won't miss either. Can't miss. We'll be giving you a timeout, market order entry in, and then when you should close the trade. At least one of the demo trades. So it's exciting. What's up, Botnator? Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Angela Taylor. What's up, Mom? Good morning, Brian Claus and Brody the Builder. Mom's in the house. Yay. She's always so nice and positive. Good person. So exciting news. Holy Grail trades will be active this time next week. Those are the trades that shall not miss. No, I don't know. We'll see. In addition to that, that's a free upgrade. Tier 1 will get 1 a month if it's formed. Tier 2 will get up to 2 a month if they're formed. Tier 3 will get unlimited Holy Grail trades. It'll be specific to NAS and SPX at first. Then we're creating another room, which are going to be Holy Grail trades for other symbols. I can't call them officially Holy Grail trades. They're not going to be able to be back checked against other symbols, but it'll be just as accurate. And those will be market order trades also. And we'll give you, just like we will with Holy Grail, we'll give you our version of when you should close down your first trade, whether it's profitable or not. So, sevens, if you guys understand what I'm talking about when I say Holy Grail trade, it is a free upgrade from Bree and I, my beautiful wife, coded by the great Keith Palmer. Took us a while to get here, but here we are. You're welcome, Guy Burger. This is incredible news. You're welcome, Brian. Good morning, Priscilla. Good morning, Garth. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Good morning, Bronx. Speaking of Las Vegas, Bree and I are heading back for a month in September for Bree's birthday month. We're heading back to Vegas for a month. Having a slight challenge with the people with the home. Well, it's not the people. See, it's a fucking business thing, whatever the fuck they are. I'm about to have with them. We're about to flip the home and go to somewhere else. Wow. Not dealing with their shit. Can't stand inefficient people. You're welcome, Nathan. All right. So, how on earth was I able to come up with a Holy Grail trade with trades that rarely, if ever, miss standard, anyways? How on earth? Because there's rules And that's how I get consistent results with my signal service. It follows the rules exactly. So the title of this particular live YouTube is "You Want Consistent Profits." I'll show you how, but you still won't do it. How do I know that? Because the vast majority of you have rules in front of you, and the vast majority of you don't follow the rules. If you follow the rules, you would have the exact same results as the signal service. You wouldn't need the signal service. You wouldn't need the sniper. Well, I still use the sniper, but well, let me rephrase that. Technically, I guess you would need the sniper because the rules involve the sniper. You have to have the sniper. So yeah, how do you get consistent profits? By following the rules that we have created. It's called order of operations according to Keith. Order of operations is what Keith codes into the signal service. The signal service then responds by spitting out those little lines you see, blue lines and so on. And when it does that, it's accurate as accurate can be. Even down to the 30-second trades, all the way up to the daily, weekly trades. They don't miss. Technically, the program they really can't miss if they follow the rules. The problem is it might only be a 2 profit if you're trading something like Euro Chef or something like that. But that's how. No one wants to hear it. No one wants to read the rules. No one takes time to review the rules. I guarantee you, those who are successful review the rules on a regular basis and implement them. Oh, I don't want to know that. Well, oh, there's someone else out there that's teaching it this way. 6 charts, 8 charts. No, that's wrong. Well, there's got to be a secret sauce where you look it down to the 15. No, that's wrong. The rules are the rules, and they work nearly 100% of the time, just like they do with the signal service, because there's no human emotion. If it says to do something, it does. Period. Like a robot. And we have all these weird, twisted psychological stuff in our heads about holding a trade, not holding a trade, getting in and out with 1 pip profit, moving our stop losses when you shouldn't move your stop loss. All these silly things get into our brains. I know, been there, done that. Still hard for me to overcome it. I have some larger accounts, $50,000, $100,000 accounts. And when I trade, I still feel very odd about trading larger dollar amounts. You see me doing all these small ones lately. I'm about to bust into. I'll open up one of my, or show you one of my bigger accounts. We'll take bigger trades, but it's a different beast. Just because you can make $1,000 or $1,400 or $2,000 on a trade, try doing that with 50,000, 70,000. All of a sudden, your brain goes into a mind fuck, and you're like, "Whoa, I know where it's going. I know what it's going to do," but you get real nervous. That's why the 2 biggest trades aren't mine. Tommy made $200,000 the other day, about a couple months ago, and Jay made a $220,000 trade. It's probably going on about a year ago now. You never see me with that size trades. My balls aren't big enough. I was burnt for 5.5 years of trade. I've won. Well, obviously, for the last 2 years, over 1,700 videos on a consistent basis every day. For over 1,700 live training videos, you've seen me. My success rate on the daily overall. I lose some individual trades here still, but for the most part, very successful on the overall each day. Yeah, I still have troubles. I can do, 5, 10, 15, $20,000 trades, no problem. You're talking about 100, $200,000 trades. Yeah, no, doesn't sit well with me. Again, like I keep telling you guys, I grew up poor, self-made millionaire by the time age 40 through 3 gyms. Lost it all 3 years later, filed for bankruptcy, and then built the system, then kept it myself for the first, I don't know, it was a little over a year. I keep trying to make it easier, being color coded, to making the site for you guys, help with your entrances, to finally doing the signal service. And if you can't follow a demo signal that tells you what to do, then don't trade. Or at least, I don't know. If you can't match up two arrows when it tells you to take a trade, then you don't need to be trading, I guess. Do a little more studying. I want to be discouraging, but you know how much money I would have given. I lost 26,500. I'd have given $30,000 to learn what you guys are being taught for free. I'd have given $30,000. All my money I had back then left, I would have given to someone to be able to tell me when to take a trade. Someone to be able to show me how to consistently take a profit out of the trade. To give me signals that actually worked. I was paying up to $1,500 a month. 2 months, I think it was maybe 3. Never got one signal. Never got one accurate signal. Paying $1,500 a month. You guys are paying jack crap, getting near 100% signal accuracy for your signal. Crazy. Yeah, I would have done that in a heartbeat. Morning, it's my time. Morning, D Nice. Morning, Garth. Big part. Yes, sir. All the rules. Yep. US 30 up to 30. Blue line. See some blue line touching this one. Yeah, we'll get to all that in a second. Dun, dun, dun. Almost forgot. United States of America has issued us a trademark to register the real deal to me and my wife through for the safety system for Class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth, sealed by the Director of the United States Patent and Trademark Office. There you go. Yay. Also, we are NDA protected. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. No one associated with the channel is. We are also social media influencers. We have a cool ass fucking store. Our store is right here. How do we get over that? This is our channel, YouTube channel. This is not the store I wanted to go to. That's where you do buy it. Customized communities. How about that? Yeah. And then you come over here. And yes, I'm pushing a store because I love it. Best quality hoodies I've ever had. Best quality t-shirt I ever had. I have the tank top. I wear it 24/7. I love the stuff. Apron, never used it, never bought one. We have a hat. Love the hat. Anyway, cool shit. All kinds of stuff. Yep. Oh, he's pushing a store. I love it. If you're proud of the system, which every one of you should be, then you should be proud to have your merchandise. Oh, but I don't want to. Don't buy it. I don't give 2 fucks. I'm just saying it's pretty cool. All I'm saying. Please type a 7 if you understand my only trade. Or yes, only trade the green rough line, red down arrow. on the back of our gold that we're not financial advisors. No one here is. And that it is an NDA and copyrighted trademark system. Morning, Warren G. Yes, yes, good enough for me. Thank you, Guy Berger and Garth. And it's time. All right. I'm so excited for the signals for you guys. Holy shit. But for now, let's go. Let's see what we can find. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. Hi ho to Mario. The hunting we will go. Looks like we have a green flip. Back to red again on the 32nd. Red to the 15th. I have one stuff asked from yesterday when I called that for you. US 30. Oh boy, that's interesting. 32nd. Where, oh, where, oh, where? Where, oh, where, oh, where? Where, oh, where, oh, where, oh, where, oh, where, oh, where? All right, let's go again. 1 second. 15 seconds. That's 30. 1 minute. 30 seconds. US 30 buy stop ricochet back to the 30-second line. US 30 buy stop back towards this 1 minute blue line. A hunting we shall go. Ricochet buy stop. NAS back to its 10-15-second blue line. Heading towards 30-second buy stop. SPX. Ricochet back to its 15-second blue line. Buy stops to the 30-second blue line, all three indices. Gold, sell, gold, so you can get some quick money here. Yeah, play any sell stop on gold until it hits its 3-minute blue line. Specifically, it's going to ricochet back up. This is what gold's going to do, just so we're all clear. It's going to come down like this, ricochet back up, come back down, and that's what it's going to do. That's on the 1 minute line. A hunting we shall go. Hi ho the Mario. US oil. Already ricocheted. Already did it. 1 minute. 3 minute. 5. Play any 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute. Buy stop to the 3-minute blue line, at least towards it, probably going to touch it. That is oil, US oil. EUR USD. A hunting we shall go. Look at that shit. It's hugging that blue line. Sell. Sell 30 second. I'll get back to EUR USD. Got too big. Do we have da 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 da? Nope, nothing for GBP JPY on the short term. AUD USD. Do you know? Da, 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 da. Do you know? 10-second buy, but not what we want. 15-second buy, 30-second buy. Buy stop. 10 second, 15 second, 30 second to the 1 minute blue line of AUD USD. XRP. And honestly, I've been saying buy XRP for the last year and a half, 2 years, whatever. I'm not saying anything else. I don't give two fucks. Buy XRP, baby. I think I was screaming this at you at 40 cents. You would have made 50% of your money if you listen to me. Just saying. Buy. Just love it. Ethereum. A life of Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. Here we go. Sell stop. 10 second, 15 second sell stop to the 15-second blue line. Same for Bitcoin. Nothing. Sorry, hit it. Okay, those are all the fast monies. Life of Ethereum. So that's all the fast monies. I'll go back to them now, and I'm going to go over the actual full-on trades for you guys. Hopefully someone makes a little money off that. Good morning, Jason McCain. All right, next. US 30 buy stop to the 30-second blue line ricochet. US 30 buy stop towards the 1 minute blue line. US 30 forming a life of Aquarius sell stop. Play any 3 minute time. Play any 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the US 30 minute blue line. Life of Aquarius. Still love, absolutely love. I do believe this turned into a 7 hour at this point. Yeah. 7 hour, 12-hour buy stop. Almost separation here. We're going to need a couple more days. But almost a separation. We're looking for this going all the way to the bottom. Never trade without the sniper. Never trade without the sniper. Buy stop. I would absolutely do. I want to do entry again on a buy. Oh, fuck it. This is where I'll put it. I'm going to move it down as it goes down. Buy stop. Buy stop. US 30. 724.24. I think that's all we need to know. Buy stop. Official. US 30. Love it. I think it needs to drop down just a little further. Please understand, I will actually chase it down. I'll move mine so it goes down with it. Life of Aquarius. Life of Aquarius. Three to four, put in a buy. And then Nadex, some cup. Why do I love Nadex? I do Nadex if I had time, I swear. I guess you'd be pulling back off these trading deals with you guys all the time. So not so much. US 30. Okay, that's what I see for US 30. NAS. 10 seconds. NAS, sell. 30-second NAS. Sell. 15 seconds sell. 30 seconds sell. 1 minute. Sell. No, 3 minutes. Sell. 1 minute, 3 minutes. Sell. 5 minutes forming a sell. Here we buy off the lines. We'll move that down as it went down. 13 minutes sell. 15 minutes sell. 15. 30 minutes. 15. 30 sell. This is the 30-minute sell. This is the 1 hour sell to the blue line was called yesterday. In NAS, that's why I didn't sell on NAS. 2 hour sell, yeah. We're going to get a 2 hour. 2 hours. Very far away. We'll get the 1 hour. SPX. NAS and SPX play any sell stop from 10 second through 1 hour to the 1 hour blue line of SPX. I think it's going to arch up though because NAS has already hit its blue line. It's going to do the arch up here. How high would that go? Yeah, I think it's going to come back up. It's going to ricochet. So this is what it's going to do exactly. It's going to pull this thing right here. It's going to ricochet up on the 1 hour for NAS and SPS. Come back up and down. Technically, this was the perfect one yesterday, the one that was called out. Remember your NAS buy, I left you with y'all make money on you. And then it formed into it. It was a 15-minute buy, It was actually a 5-minute buy at open, and then the call was for later. So that was perfection right there, by the way. This is perfection. Now, ooh, can we get another ricochet? Yes, but then I believe SPX is on this. Yeah, see, it's not there yet. Yes. Yep. One, two, three. Sound. Share. Sharing. Yes, we are. Can't believe it's fucking with this computer, which is something to do when you plug in the second. Thank you, Miss Fleet. When you, good morning, James. Whenever you plug in the second monitor, it goes into some kind of gaming mode bullshit. Wow. All right. Well, that is US 30 in detail, NAS in detail, SPX in detail, gold. Already hit, already hit, already hit. It's too high. 10-minute buy, you're in. 15-minute buy, gold, you're in. Play these 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 2 minute, 15-minute buy stop until the 30-minute gap is filled in. Until you see the closure right here. Then look for, that's what it is. 7 hour, 12 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour. Should already answered here. I don't know what that's buy stop 7 hour, 12 hour gold. You can enter it off the daily, you can enter it off the 12 hour, it doesn't matter. I'm going to call play any 15 seconds for daily buy stop on gold until you see this here pink line go up to the blue line right there. On the way up, you're gonna have shit tons of call outs, just like I did the last time here. How do we know for a fact it's gonna have a shit ton of call outs? Let's take a look. Our line right here. From here, you're gonna see a shit ton of call outs go on the way up. Here's our line. Well, be a good color one. Like a purple thicker text shit. There. From this purple line forward, you see shit ton of call outs on the, and these are the ones that were called out. Here's your daily entry daily right here, your hydro signals here, daily right here, hydro signals there. How fucking cold it is. And there's a line saying provide. Here's a cell that was on the table, never engaged. There's a cell that's on the table and it engaged 20, 30 times. You can't take the trades after so many, but you can take the first one at market execution order, boop, boop, and then all these other ones you can enter into following the rules always. All these possibly this right here. Then it recalls itself on a daily again, and then more daily. Nice and easy. And you're back. Thank you, Brian. Pause. We launched. Okay. Thank guys for joining me. Do. And that's gold. So if you come over to gold weekly, you're going to wait for it to come up again. This is the next time it's doing it is right here. I would play any buy stop on gold that you can find for 15 seconds through daily until this weekly comes up and touches. Simple as that. Now let's go here. Holy grail. Let's engage. Let's see what it looks like. Called out correctly. I'm telling you guys, are just gonna have a heart attack when you start seeing these. These will be going into a separate room. They're the equivalent of a holy grail trade for a variety of signals. I mean, well, boy, that shit. Perfect call, perfect call, perfect call. Oh, nice. Uh, Wow. Can't wait for it. XRP. I'm not sure what someone around here has been calling for XRP by. I don't know who that could possibly be. Hmm. Signal service. Mm-hmm. Me personally. Mhm. Oh, it's going up because of this. It's going up because of that. It's going up because of damn for months on end. I've been screaming at you to buy stop from 625 right here to where it is. So back here when it was at 46 cents, where the fuck it is now, 63, 65 cents. Nope, ain't done. Weekly, monthly buy. I'm not even sure this is a full breakout yet. I don't think it's coming on. I think it's still going to happen. Buy stop here and weekly. Buy stop. Buy stop. Nope. Nope. We caught that one by the way. Remember that's when they come up with some kind of bullshit thing they wanted. Went up to like $1.08. I fully suspect that they're going to invest $1.88. Quite frankly, $3.50 from where it is now. So more or less, I've been recommending it since 30 cents, 31 cents. My average cost is 31 cents. Yeah, definitely over this $1.75. Whether it does or not, I don't know. Whether it can do all this news bullshit, I don't get too close. Ethereum, 625, buy, another buy. Look at Amazon. Perfect buy on a monthly. Perfect buy on a monthly. We didn't catch it at its lowest of like 80, whatever it was, $79.80. I was recommending to buy it around 92 and 93 because it had broken this little EMA right here, which, oh, by the way, oh, shit. Free upgrades coming. I forgot all about this. Me and Keith talked yesterday, thank God. Free upgrades are coming. You guys are going to see this new orange EMA on your charts by this time next week, if not way, way sooner. This is going to be your higher time frame EMA you'll use. And this is coming to your charts free of charge. This is going to be an upgrade, just automatically done. You won't have to do anything other than refresh your indicators, maybe trading view anyways. And yeah, that's a free upgrade. This also, besides having this new little orange EMA on your charts, you're also going to see, and I don't think he's done it yet. Let's take a look. Lights of Aquarius. Lights of Aquarius. Let's see. No, not yet. You're going to see these W1s. The ones will be taken away and the D1s. It'll just be a W and a D. That's going to be another free upgrade for you guys. Yay. So that's a little, is that an upgrade? I don't know. I consider having your other line on here an upgrade. That's for damn sure. Yep. Oh, we had a 30-second ricochet back to the blue line. It did touch it once on US 30, as called out live earlier this morning. Perfect call out on US 30. Same thing, by the way. You're about to see it go back up again. But yeah, you're going to have this little orange little EMA And then you're going to have these ones taken off over here because they're not really accounts. It's just the way um, TradingView shows the D ones and the W ones. It's really just weekly and daily. It has nothing to do when we have our account over here. It's different. Right here, we don't have an account. This is just a normal W and T. So those are two free, I guess, a different version coming out for you guys that happen on tier 3. If you're in tier 1 or 2, it won't matter to you. All right. What else? What else? I keep forgetting all the things we're doing. I'm testing the Holy Grail trade. I'm testing the equivalent of the Holy Grail trade for other symbols. I'll be doing that over the next few days over the weekend. Over time frames. Oh yeah. Tier 1 and tier 2 will no longer have 30-second trades. They're too used up too quickly. What you are getting though is an expanded, basically a first time room. We'll be having that instead and a Holy Grail trade instead. I'm pretty sure you'll like those upgrades. Crazy good. There's news this morning. I want to do this too. Sometimes I'm in the mood for it, other times I'm not in the mood for it. I want some action here. Or should we use the higher time for me reactions? Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Banner Video. Ding. Having brain fart and louder. What's up, Ken? Yeah, so how would you use this on your faster time frames? You don't need to look at it. I look at it very much so on the higher time frames. Let me go to like, yes, stop to the blue line. Prices underneath. We have an underneath trade. This is above. All right, so here, how do I see this then? How do I use this? Why is my huh? Gonna be the life of the Aquarius. Life of the Aquarius. Much better. Okay. Now, how do I look at this? Well, I'll show you. When you're looking at higher time frame trades, I'd say 1 hour and above, particularly the 4 hour daily and that type. I bet we can go over to it. You'll see much more. See how it looks. So this is on a daily, for instance. You'll see much more as it's coming up. It comes down and touches this orange EMA, this faster one, again and again and again and again, as opposed to coming all the way down to touch our yellows and our greens. See, it does in the beginning. This is your first step right here. If I looked at this chart right here, I would look down to either the 4 hour or most likely the 2 hour. There's going to be a 5. Right where it retests this little GMA, we'll go down to, for instance, a 4 hour. Life of Aquarius. Life of Aquarius. And there it is. There's your 4-hour buy. Wait a second. Why is that color? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it did update. Hold on. I didn't go back. Let me take care of this. Well, I can show you that one, but we can use. Let me grab this. It's too far back. I don't want to put it back. Let's go here. Let's take this off. So let's look here again. So if you look right here, you can see price action bounced off of it, price action bounced off of it, and so on. We're on daily NAS. Well, if you look at any given of these, we'll mark this one right here. Actually, when it bounced off the first time, there'll be a buy here, but also right here. There'll be probably a 4-hour buy stop right there. Let's take a look. And there is green, 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 red, green, green. There we go. Now, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. And that's because when you're looking at daily, if you were trying to wait for the daily to drop down, price action to drop down to your yellows, which it does and should, I just use this line on the higher time frames as my drop down to line. So for instance, if we're looking for a logo on the buy right here, price starts underneath, retraced once, retraced perfectly twice, retraced again. And you see where we're catching those. Now, currently it's down below here, which is fine. It's going to do the same thing. I just use those as a validation. So then you have another yes. With our logo right here, we can see the logo repaint. Go down to your smaller time frame to look through, and you'll see it. So that's how you would use it. I would look at that at least the hourly, but more likely 4-hour, 12-hour, daily, weekly. I would look at those, especially when you start talking weekly. Sure. I mean, weeklies are hardly ever going to see how it never goes in between. That's a rarity. And then see how it bounces off, like skipping a rock. So you came up, look, skip, 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 skip. She goes. Then it flips. This is your cells. This would be your perfect cell right here. This would be a daily. Yeah, I'm sure this is the daily cell right here. We'll look back revisions, learn more onto this where they have no. Nope, what's good for? Nope, what's good on two? Oh, we have two purple lines. Oh my goodness, hold on. This isn't the right purple line. Let me go back to. Yeah, there it is. So, like, why the fuck wasn't it pulling it? There it is, broken back actually. So this is technically a 2 week non-broken bot, probably. Definitely a week non-broken bot. It doesn't matter. Uh, red, 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 green, broken bot, blue line high with it out to the blue line, perfect easy trade. And that's why you can see it right here. Easy peasy. US 30 came back up as called back to its 30-second blue line again. We called the first time, called the second time, called the third time live. This is a 30-second buy stop. Yeah, I told you, NAS and SPX, they can't call the buys on the lower time. All right, do we have any news this morning? Please say there's news. Let's see. And for English. Exponential. Maria told her, where you been, woman? Good morning, Miss Maria and Steve. Good morning, Max and Andre. All right. Oh, oh, oh. 8 o'clock. Is there any news? Where's Ori at? Any news this morning? No news. I don't think so, Jason. That's probably useless news. Good morning, Matt. Hi, Miss Maria. I hope you've been okay. You and Steve. But I was wondering where you were. I haven't seen you in a few days. Oh, man. What's today? Wednesday? Hmm. Title of this one is You Want Consistent Profits, but yet no one's going to do it. The answer is follow the rules or get the signal service. Oh, Maria, if you're just joining, we are now officially testing the final testing phase of the Holy Grail trade. The Holy Grail trade will be launched by the end of be a free upgrade from Bree and I to each and every one of you that's in tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3. The Holy Grail trade is a trade theory that will not miss. Of course, it's been back tested not to miss. We've actually been able to get it coded now. So this is going to be a free upgrade. Tier 1 people will be getting up to 1 Holy Grail trade free each month. Tier 2 people will be getting up to 2. If it forms, I can't control if it doesn't form. If it forms, you'll have tier 2 Holy Grail trades, and tier 3 will be getting unlimited Holy Grail trades each month. So if you're a paying member in tier 1, you get 1 Holy Grail trade. If you're a paying member of this tier 2, you'll be getting 2 Holy Grail trades up to, if they form, tier 3, you get unlimited. So hopefully, all of you are going to be thrilled about that. It'll be a market order trade. You get to trade and hold it, and then we'll actually tell you. I'm going to have to key something out another signal. I want them to tell us when it finalizes the movement, so you guys can get out and or when open. Okay, so that's a free update to you, Miss Maria and Steve. Next up is we're going to have the equivalent of Holy Grail trades for y'all on different symbols, i.e. gold, boom, boom, boom. Just wait and see if this is going to be amazing. Now, these are going to be longer term type trades. They're going to take days to weeks to develop, but they're not going to call for a buy like it was here. You'll see it go up. If it was called for a buy, you'll see it go up, and so on. Buy up, sells, it does with myself also. We have a little bit more tweaking to go on this one. Trust me. It'll still be the correct calls when we release this. Now, this might not be released for a few weeks. But the Holy Grail trade itself for NAS and SPX be released. Yeah. Yeah, it should. Look at this. Nope, you ain't gonna miss with these now. These ones, the Holy Grail trade for NAS and SPX. We tweaked it and tweaked it and tweaked it. I'm still gonna test it, but trust me. I went back to 2001 and with 100% accuracy. So it's not gonna miss. Huh? Pretty fucking cool. Never thought I'd live to see the day where I can make a trade that, in theory, isn't going to miss ever. Now, of course, all of our current signals, they don't miss ever, but these will be the ultimate ones. I'm thrilled about that for you guys. And I think that's all the upgrades until we make the blue line scanner, but I think that's everything coming through. Good morning, Joe Vega. D-Nice says yes there. Good morning, George. Thank you, Jackson. Very good. Live. Sometimes too early. Yeah, right. Poor Miss Maria. They're 3 hours behind in Arizona. If I remember correctly. Live, came live. Yeah, I'll be gone by then. I'll be at 30. 40 LD. Good morning, Scott. All right. So those are your free upgrades coming to you guys. Um, the Holy Grail. Everybody in tiers 2 or 3 will be taking advantage of that. Yeah, finally everything's coming together. I think me and Keith can have the blue line scanner code also signal going out also here. I think probably within a couple of weeks, because he's got a lot of shit going on and I've got a lot of shit going on. We've got a lot of stuff going up, like personal shit. Wow. I don't understand these people. They're out to be handled. Paying thousands of dollars a month to stay at a house. You can't even get back. Oh, we have a test over here on TikTok. There we go. TikTok's all done. Ready to go? All right. Anybody have concerns, comments, anything you want me to go over before? Otherwise, I'm about to give you guys a little master class, a refresher course. I hate the term master class. I'm about to give you a little trading 101 for you. How about that? Look at gold, just right talk. Sure. Do. Do. Yeah, we already looked at it. What do you want to see? And the money on the 5 minute, and the money on the 10 minute buy, 15 minute, 30 minutes. So ricochet, 1 hour, 2 hour buy, 7 hour buy is what it's called for this. And turn off those 12 hour. Yeah. Right. Good morning, Kevin. Have a great day. Thank you, Marley. And you too. All right, here we go. We're going to go over quite a few things right now. Some of you may or may not understand how the system works. I'm going to show you again very simply. If you're new here, you'll be able to see the simplicity of the system. And this is what we got. We have rules. I know it sounds boring, but if you follow the rules, you'll be able to see our logo right here, green up and red down area. Those of you on TikTok can't. You need to review your rules every day, at least once, twice a day. I would say 80% of you don't even look at the rules ever. How do I judge that? Because when you ask questions, you can tell you're ignorant. When you go into the Discord, I can tell you haven't even looked at the rules. Because if you did, you wouldn't ask the questions you're looking at. I would say that's true out of 7 out of 10 of you, 8 out of 10 of you don't even look at the rules. That is the most ignorant thing you can do. How do I know that the rules work? Again, there used to be a debate. Do you do this? You do that. The rules work 100% of the time. And how do we know? Because we have a signal service that uses the rules to generate signals that are 100% correct. Oh, nothing's 100% correct. Okay. Well, then you showed me one wrong trade here where the blue didn't go up. It's 100% accurate. The only inaccuracy is humans. We fuck up religion. We fuck up politics. We fuck up everything. Besides that, it's as accurate as you can possibly make anything. Our interpretation of it fucks up. That's why the signals are only using the rules. No human emotions, no could be, would be, should be. It's exact. And they work exactly all of the time, without exception. So if the rules work all the time, why won't you guys actually follow the rules? I don't know. Why do you think you need to open up 6 charts when it says at most you open up 2? Why would you open up and try to do something that's against the rules? It's the stupidest thing I ever heard. There is no debating that. Type a 7 up if you understand that the rules, if implemented without human emotion, like they are with the signal service, are 100% accurate, 100% reading the charts before something happens. My signal service is not after the fact. My signal service calls out trades before it happens, whether it's daily, hourly, 30 seconds, it's calling out trades before it happens, and it calls it out on a consistently regular basis. Good morning, Greg. Okay. Now, if you follow the rules, what are they? Well, one of the rules is follow the damn rules and reread them. Number 2 is this is a rule. Before emailing us for help, find your own answers. And that's how you do it. That's a rule. It'll make you a better trader. F you. I'm not going to deal with all your emails. That's Bree. Thank God that she does the most amazing job in the history of anyone, responding near instantaneously, even on a funny day when I tell her not to. She says, "Well, I can just check it. I can go ahead and get it out for you guys." She answers emails all time of the night, all times of the day. I can't believe what she does. I'm really annoyed, actually. I don't want her getting overly overwhelmed with anything. But do this. This is part of the rules. Warning. Do not teach any other members any other way of trading using safe trade systems. If you do that, you're going to get banned for life. No questions asked, no refunds given, no fucks given. Given. What do I mean? If someone's teaching them the rules on how to trade, they're wrong and need to be reported and they need to leave the system. I know some of you put your own spin on things. You think it's great, do it, but don't you dare teach anyone else that. If you teach someone else that's not in it, you violate NDA, you will get your you violate trademark too, for that matter. You will get your banned for life. Anyone that's doing that will be banned for life. That's not how you treat. You shouldn't treat me. I give a fuck. I made the system. I made the rules. The rules work. There is no debate that these lines are 100% accurate. They went all up. Every time and everything that's ever called, it works. Why would you ever try to listen to some other person out there trying to teach you a different way to use the system? Don't do it. Hope I'm clear on that. Secret sauce is the fucking rules. There is no person out there somehow smarter than the system. There isn't. Get the fuck over yourselves. You want to make your own system up? Then make your own fucking system up. I made the system up. I know it like the back of my hand. The rules fucking work. We know it because they're now signals generated from those rules that are near 100% accurate. Yeah, okay. Please note, we have a freedom signal indicator. That's what those rules are. That's what those signals are you're seeing. If it's not the first signal, you must follow the two-step rules. Okay, but if it is the first one, you can take it. Look at all the different symbols it calls for in the rooms. It's amazing. How to set up your charts if you have the freedom signal indicator. There's a video on how to do it. Here's a video on how to do it. Here's a video on how to do it. Again, I know when you guys ask questions, I know my brother was on the other day asking questions because he's being a nice person. He was pretending to be you guys. Well, the questions that you guys were asking, he was asking the silliest things on earth. Does the signal go into the Discord room? If you would have watched any one of the three videos, you would know the answer to that. It's gone over and over again. Yes. The signal goes from your charts, if you're in tier 3, to the signal rooms, to the Discord rooms. Over and over and over again. There's 3 training videos. Watch them. Don't be lazy. I swear. Oh, should I take the first signal as a bot? It's fucking everywhere you go. When the two arrow lines match up. Okay. What are some more rules that we follow? Bonus signal, how to put on, this is the most amazing thing ever Keith did for you. The freedom signal indicator, how to set up alerts on TradingView. He teaches you how to put alerts up so you don't have to watch your charts 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you're in the tier 3, you can set up signals for any version of any symbol you want. Talking about the greatest thing since sliced bread, how can there be anything better? If you have signals going off, we help teach you, read it over. I don't know about it, so I'm not doing that. I already went over this trading rule for you, so do not trade rules before CPI, FOs, and you can take trades. You just have to learn the system. Matter of fact, not only can you take trades, it's the easiest thing on earth to try to go against the grain and what you call it, and get your money back, it goes up, and make all kinds of money. It's like the easiest thing ever. The rules are for buy stops, top and left, for sell stops, left and under. That's what it is. I show you this all the time. Literally showed you it today when we were looking at different things. Here's another version of it right now. As this is coming out on the day, price is left of all of our EMAs. It can only be a buy. You can't find a sell here. Now daily, you can go down 30 seconds. So I'm saying on the daily, weeklies. So this rule that I'm giving out free to everyone immediately increases your win rate by 50%, or let me rephrase it. You no longer have a 30% or 50% losing rate because that's what got sells. So it's only to be a buy, you can't do a sell. So if you play a sell and it's like this, you're a silly person who doesn't know how to trade. The opposite holds true if it's going down. You can only find sells. Look, you can only be looking for sells when price is under the EMAs. It's the only way. And that is 100% free from me to anyone that's listening here scamming. I'm giving actual ways to just. So in our code, it codes this. It can't look for a sell when it's top left. It has to be a buy. Hope you understand that rule. Here's your two rules, simplest thing on earth. Rule 1 is you go to the hourly chart. You look if you're looking for a buy, you go to the sniper high, low, then you look for a logo. And if you find it, you go to the 15-minute chart. If you didn't find it, you go to the 4-hour chart and continue to look. There it is. What is a buy stop? What is a bot? Break, demo trade only, wait for the half circle. How do you take profit? Here's how you take profit. What's a runner? You let them run. It's like compound interest. Stop loss, put it to pivot point. It tells you exactly. Right here. Trade entries, extremely important. Take profits, how many pips you should be looking for. How to trade a signal, and how exactly trade a bullshit wick where they're scandally spiking the price. Yeah, see how they piss me off. This is how you do it. And it teaches you exactly step by step how to do that. W's and M's, triple tops, triple bottoms, double tops, double bottoms, whatever you want to call them, M's and W's. Why they're important, why they're not, how they work out. All right here. Exactly how I trade every day. This is exactly how I trade every day. I get up, thank God, I did my breathing already. I did my light therapy, my oxygen therapy. When I do my shower, I'll take my cold shower, grounding. I'm sitting right now. I weightlifts. I did a little bit of squats, some dumbbell work. I honestly believe this helps. I look at the H&H scanner. I look at the rules, and then I reread them. And this is what we trade. This is all I'm looking for. Stay focused. You can't be focused when you're looking at fucking 6 or 8 different charts for fucking weird ass shit. It doesn't work. Just stop it. This is what works. Brain up, red down. Trading rule specific. And these are your specific rules. Unlearning, mastering, most important rules of all, thank God, and always do good with your profits. Always thank God. Oh, I don't believe in God. Don't give a fuck. Well, I believe in the flying spaghetti monster. Good for you. I don't care if you believe in Muhammad, Jesus, flying spaghetti monsters, but something supernatural, something godlike is the one who I give thanks to for blessing me with the knowledge to make the system. I didn't have to share the system with you, yet I did. And we're improving it each and every day so you guys can make it easier and easier. That's why you should thank God. Why should you thank God? I've shown you a 90, 95%, 99% accurate way of trading in a Forex market that is $7.2 trillion a day. Y'all are trillionaires, billionaires. I know there's a couple of billionaires I made. I know I made a couple of people not homeless. I know one of the person who's been saved and said that there's no way that someone could come to these accurate calls without there being some kind of conflict. I agree with that statement. Okay. Always do. Yes, we've had somebody buy however you bought a Bentley, somebody bought a Ferrari, whatever. I don't give two fucks. Buy all your nice cars you want, but then maybe buy your niece or nephew a nice car like a Honda or two, and then that way they can have a reliable means of transportation. So much to so many people, you guys don't understand. At one point in my life, I had cars for 300,000 miles. Never again. I'll eat the appreciation. Oh, thank God. Me and Bree were able to have multiple nice new cars paid cash. Oh, it's stupid to pay cash for your homes. No, it's not. It's stupid to pay cash for your cars. No, it's not. Once everybody in my family has their house paid for this cash, cars paid for this cash, they own nothing, right? Then in which case I might look at getting a little different house. To put it in perspective for you, we can afford any monthly payment on any home, including into the millions of dollars if we so desire to bring high. But we don't desire to do that. That's not our goal in life. Our goal is to help family, to do God's will, help family members, and help you all become consistently profitable traders. That's it. So that's your rules. Your beginners. Good morning, Neville. Good morning, Damien. If you're a beginner trading, you should watch your training video 50 times a week or two. All of you should. You shouldn't ask any emails. None of our successful traders do that. Don't ask us any questions through email. Rewatch. All of our successful members watch the rewatch the training videos. All of our successful members read the thing, rules. You can join the Discord after, right? Or get the scanner rooms or the sniper add-on or the safety trade signals by writing a nicely worded email to the forward safety trade system. You have to have the system first. That's any good to try to bypass free misses. That's it. And these are upcoming projects. Possible projects. Well, this possible project is now completed. The freedom signal indicator combines the Hydra and the machine gun. It's done. It's firing. It's on your charts. The Holy Grail trade is now done. It's definitely for NAS, and I think we're going to have a version of the Holy Grail trade for these 6 other symbols, including gold. You imagine. So the Holy Grail trade signals are done. They'll be implemented by this time next week, Lord willing. And you have to do nothing for them. They're just going to be upgraded on your charts. I'll tell you when they're active. H&H blue line scanner signal. It's going to call out signals. You guys are kind of not using this right. I don't want to get into it. But it's going to call out signals based off the skin rep. That's what I'm saying. And then we'll be sending out a signal based on these, more or less. So when they bring this down, let's say for all day long today, they bring it down, right? Then overnight they bring it back up, at least a little. And then they'll bring it down. Okay, I did that. So yeah, we're going to have a signal go out for the line scanner. And I personally think that's going to be utterly amazing. And then after that, that's it. There'll be no more upcoming projects that I'm aware of at this time. It'll be a closed system, i.e., we probably won't have, well, we'll see how many approaching. We're over 100 members in our tier 3 signal service. When we get to about 150, that's when we'll start looking at 150. I'm going to do a little advertising until we get to that point. After we get to that point, I'm probably just going to close the group down to the people who are in it, and then you guys can stay in it. I might have open enrollment twice a year, maybe every 6 months. We are still a group. Tons of people at that point. Okay, not contained 2 hours, so right? Dr. Kane's talking about this. Yeah, it's 2 hours. Not out of here. Yeah, it's 2 hours. I'm still in. Oh yeah. I'm still in 2 buys, a US 30 and a NAS. Oh, it must took profit on the one that did. And this is myself from yesterday. On NAS. It's 16:27, right before market open. I put it myself. And there it is. We need money on that buy. And then where we going with that one for the 2 hour? It went straight back down. I'm surprised it didn't pull up more actually. more of it's gone straight back up to 1 hour, but it's the SPX is what we want. It was SPX right now. For any sell stops you can on NAS SPX US 30 to the SPX 1 hour blue line is hit. NAS already hit its 1 hour. It is a 2 hour sell stop. Yep. A 2 hour, 3 hour sell technically. But we were aiming towards the 1 hour blue line with NAS. We're technically aiming for the 1 hour blue line of SPX. This is a perfect sell. Mystic, red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Now we want you it ricochet, come back up, form the M, and G down. This is what I mean by ricocheting. The rest. Price comes down. You can play this trade right here, or this trade right here. Touch the blue line, came up, form the M, double top, and came right back down again. This is a picture perfect sell stop. We formed our logo, formed our logo on the higher time frame and the lower time frame, just all of it. That's NAS to its blue line. See what we're doing right here is this has to reset on our weekly. So this peak line needs to hook down at least a little bit more. I'm telling you, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous buy. This week we will cool down for us more. I'm going to call it party off the US 30. See the US 30 just perfection. Perfection. So any buy stop you can, 15 seconds or daily on US 30. Yes, they know it's going down. I don't give a fuck. All it's doing is setting us up for another buy. In fact, I hope it goes down to 50 right back in the end. Make it still longer. Daily buy, technically 12-hour daily buy NAS, 12-hour daily buy SPX. The sell that was called out on NAS is perfection, but it's only setting up for a higher time for buys. You can stay in the trade as long as you want, as long as it keeps going down, stay in it by all means. But ultimately it's going to do its flip. Probably unless it's a big ass fucking news later this week, I'll see next time before it starts back. Only thing news is good for is to get a little good start. They want to make it go back up again. Don't forget what is sitting. Well, I didn't want to get into that. I didn't even know how you can talk about that. Whatever. You go into the if they want the sitting president to stay in, but evidently the most popular president in our history receiving the most votes ever is dropping out of the race for some unknown reason. We all know the reason. We're not going to say it. Da-da-da-da. Thank goodness. UPS form delivery. UPS delivery. Bam. Every day around here is like Christmas. We get more packages delivered. It's crazy. Good morning, Cristobal. Wait. FOMC next Wednesday. Cool. Maybe that'll be a little turning out point for us. Buy stop. FOMC next Wednesday. I'm just happy. Sorry. That's probably what it's going to be. It costs a good bit of ones. That's the deals. Get Vegas out. First of all, let's see. FOMC next Wednesday. Gotcha. Need. Oh, we just got an email. I never had trade performance this high, 87% for 3 days straight. Are you kidding me? It's because of your system and following your rules. I appreciate you both. I just want to say thank you. Oh, how cool. Am I allowed to share this? Nice. Gross profit. Nice. 86%. 87% win rate. Well, that's really, really good. I won't say any last names, but very proud of this. Because we get testimonials in all the time. Thank God. I don't read 90% of them because they don't allow us to. So we don't do that. Done deal is the Holy Grail trade only available on daily, weekly. The Holy Grail trade is technically going to be a market order trade, not necessarily daily or weekly. That has not what it's to do with it. Yes, it'll be higher time frame at this time. Won't ever get to lower time frame, possibly. Good probability of that actually. But I'm sure you're not like comfortable with me complaining about it. I'm sure he doesn't mean that in any way, shape, or form. But yes, right now it's going to be a higher time frame trade. All right. Unlearn, relearn, master by teaching it, master the system with the rules by teaching the rules, not your own version of the rules, the actual rules is how you master it. We are Stan ambassadors, senior Stan ambassadors. Actually, we have 3 stores with Stan, and we're very extremely successful with each store. I mean, yeah, we were top 50 out of thousands and tens of thousands of stores they had. I think we were even top 20. She was supposed to get back to me on that, never did. FOMC. See you real soon. Why? Because we love FOMC. See you real soon. All right. I'm a little bored this morning. I really don't want to go over all this. I'd really rather just go do all the other shit I got to get done, but that's okay. Quarter till we have 45 minutes to market open. That's get some cheap shit out of that. Uh, gold. I don't know how low we'll go with that. I don't think it's going to be much. 15-second sell stop to the 15-second blue line gold. I prefer the 1 minute buy stop. If you really just want to wait, then you go to, you're already in it. You should already be in the 2 hour buy. Buy. It's not too late. Hold on. Daily separating now. See, it's there. I'm telling you, play any buy stop you can find on gold from 15 seconds through daily. It can't be any more specific than that. So this line right here goes up and touches that blue line. That to that. That once it does that, then get out. Other than that, buy stop. So I'm gonna call daily's not quite separated out yet for the buy. For my liking on a daily, but the weekly's perfect by all means. This was the buy stop on gold that was called out live, traded live actually, done that multiple times. All right, maybe ERUSD, we can get some cheap money here. Let's see. 1 second. No. 1 minute, no. Buy. Play any 10-second through 1 minute buy stop to the 3 minute blue line on ERUSD, or at least until the 3 minute pink goes to the blue. Buy stops on ERUSD, that should get you a little money, hopefully. Let it pull back down a little bit and regroup again. It's going to shoot back up again. It's going to hit the 3 minute. Yeah, strong possibility it's going to hit the 3 minute. After that, or if you don't want to do that, 1 hour, 1 hour still. Sell. 30-minute. It's going to ricochet. I already used that once. It's going to come down, come up. I think come up a little bit higher, hook, and come back down over again. 30-minute sell stop is going to do exactly like I showed you. Worst case scenario is just stay in the buys. You make your money, but I would just put yourself right here and wait for it. Nice. So it's EURUSD. That was gold. SPX. Nothing. Can't call anything. We're going to need to spike up here soon. Sell US 30 was the one. Yeah, there's nothing. That's going to be a real boring open unless we get some kind of push up here. I mean, wow, this is going to be boring as fuck. Sell stops like I told you. Sell stops like I told you until SPX. Play any stop you can until 15 seconds through 30 minutes till the 1 hour SPX blue line is hit. We need to pull that up. Wow, we're not gonna have any in the fucking trade this morning. Lock in your profits. Obviously, on yourself from NAS yesterday. The only thing I could recall telling I did was traded that one. I'm in that trade actually. Yeah, see, there's nothing. We need to pull up. Wow. Well, I'll tell you. Yeah, it's going to be a real non-movement this morning, unless in the next 45 minutes we can get a switch. See things popping up. We need NAS and SPX to start coming back up, or some kind of real fast, hard play on the up. Damn. I don't know. Nothing I can call on any three of them right now. We did call out gold a little, and ERUSD is a good strong possibility. Let me see if I can get a GPP JPY. Yeah, no. This is great. Well, okay, GBP JPY is tanking. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to move my entry line down. Any sell stop on GBP, that's an unusual call. GBP JPY to the 2 hour blue line. But let's see where it's going to do. Let's flip that. Really? No. Not yet daily. It's about to be daily. I see it's just too high. The weekly is going to come back down. That's all. We'll wait. Wait for this weekly pink line to come back down here, like it did here and here and here, preferably a little further down. Let me see some. Yeah. We're going to move our entry line all the way down here. Yep. We're going to wait for it. And it's written down. Buy stop GBP move down as it goes down. And support what I just did. See that blue little orange EMA you guys are going to have? That's going to come in real handy for you right here. Buy stop weekly GBP I love it. Sell stop 15 seconds through 2 hours to the 2 hour 9 GBP It's fine to take the sell. I'm just looking at this date. I cannot wait. Let this motherfucker pink line come down here, and I'm going to do some real. I'll do a buy on this later. Let this come down first. Hopefully we get the full pullback all the way down to here. Look like this. I want it to come down. Blue line to stay high. We see that. Please, we're gonna make some money. Yeah, that's what I see the low thing into, just like that actually. Exactly. Good morning, Anthony Villalobos. Good morning. Brian, 4 hour buy stop on gold. Mark, nice. Silver, 4 hour buy stop on gold. Yeah. Good morning, Adam. I'm glad you liked the title. 4 hour buy stop on gold. If that's what I call, that's what it is. Let's see. 4 hours got to be higher though. 7 hour. It's a 7 hour, 12 hour buy stop on gold. Look, this is your 4 hour. You can clearly see that it's red, 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 green, but I knew that it had to be there. So now it's at 7 hour because you're looking at green, 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 red, right? Green, green. Go to the 12 hour and it's a fill in the gap. The only problem with this one is, and it's not a huge problem, you can still take gold. This isn't quite down low enough for my taste, but it's fine. We're already in the buy anyways on that. So yes, you want to take any weekly. This is how important the sniper is, the most important indicator ever made. If you guys are going to keep one, I would get the sniper. When you see it do this right here and start to go up, it's going to fill in that gap, which it already did, and then it's going to keep going. That's why you're seeing this 7 hour buy stop play out right now. It's going to be a 7 hour 12. So I would hold this trade until this fills in the gap or until the 12 hour pink line comes up and touches it. Either or both. Open up 3, close one down each way, and leave one run. So that's that. Good morning, Mark. So you don't have to keep asking, Mark. I'll get to it. Silver it is. We'll take a look. Corn, wheat, well, so there it is. The red, gold, nothing, nothing, nothing. Buy stop 3 minutes, 3 minute, 5 minute. Buy stop 15 second, 10 seconds through 5 minute buy stop until silver ricochets, comes back up, hits its blue line, right? It's going to fill in that gap. May not touch it, but I think it's going to touch it. It'll be close enough. Oh, there you go. And yeah, good enough. Doo-dah, doo-dah, got to fill in the silver spoon. Oh, the doo-dah today. Doo-dah today. Oh, the doo-dah today. right, we have to sit here. Morning. Silver buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Silver already should have been in the buy, should have been in the line. So 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour. Oh, let me see if it's a 2 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. What's our daily? Daily's coming down weekly. Buy. Yep. 4 hour, 2 hour sell stop silver. 5 minute buy stop silver. If you don't like 5 minutes and under, don't trade it. If you don't like 4 hours and under, don't trade it. But it's better like weekly, daily buy stop silver. Love it, love it, love it. Let it keep going down. I'm gonna yep, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right. Gorgeous trade. It'll probably down here at the bottom. Go back up. Buy 5 minute, sell 2 hour, 4 hour, whatever that was. 4 hour. Buy weekly, daily. I love the weekly, daily buy. That's as specific as I can get with silver. All right. Any other symbols you guys like called out? Or if I missed one of you guys listed, feel free to throw it up there. Throw it down. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. I'm going with this. This TikTok right here. It was talking about BlackRock, BlackRock owns. They own banks, they own companies, they own media, they own the thing. Yeah, it's kind of ironic. Wait till she finds out who owns BlackRock. That's all this is. Something TikTok can get that. TikTok. If he's just shocked to find out how much they know. It's kind of cute to see him going through the very cute to see. And all true, by the way. 100% true. Let me see. Where is that one posted? Someone was posting about their win rate. By the way, congratulations to Matt Parker. Congratulations, Matthew Parker, trading bait account. Good. Yeah, not the one I was looking for. But congratulations. And let's just go at it. Oh, tried. Henry was saying, tried to show my friend's system. They didn't believe it or something. But then he paid for 2024 Chevy diesel pickup truck loaded, and he paid cash for it. And I said, "Yep, cash is king, buddy." So if you don't have people believing you with the system, just keep winning. Trust me, they'll all come around. They all do. No shit. It's still showing. Yay. Great job, Matt. Absolutely, Brian Claus and Adam. Yep. Good morning, little Joe. Good morning, Ryan Marcus, UST. Let's see what we see with UST. Uh, let's see. I swore we had that one open. Yeah, USD CAD. What we got? Nada, nada. Where's it going? Sell stop. Put any 10 seconds or 3 minute sell stop towards the 3 minute blue line, USD CAD. Forming a Aquafina buy stop, 1 hour. Yeah. The first time was back here, second, third, fourth, but I still think it's a. Oh, it's not down yet on the 2 hour though. That's why it's still having trouble there. Still, I like it. Take it. 1 hour buy stop, USD CAD. Our same USD CAD has a daily. Yep, it's a daily weekly. Oh, beautiful. Daily. Oh, look. 7/23/24. Daily weekly buy stop on 7/3. Who the fuck? Why doesn't anyone tell me this shit? I knew we looked at this before. Look, this was written back in on July the 3rd buy stop. If you listen to when that call was made, somewhere in the neighborhood of here to here. 135 pips you would have made on that. I'm telling you, these days, you guys are all addicted to gambling. Let me be clear. We did have someone write in about this. Y'all are addicted to gambling. You like the 30-second trades. You love the rush it gives you. You might have taken what you used to do as far as gambling at slots and different casinos and stuff and moved it into here. That's not trading. That's not trading. Oh, but if I scalp it, I get a 30-second and then the rush it open. Da, da, da. I know the feeling. That's not trading. That's called gambling. Stay out of it. This is trading. Take any buy stop you can find until 15-second through daily until the weekly pink line touches the blue line. You already would have been up 130 pips. That's trading. Professional traders aren't traders, they're professional gamblers. They make 10 pips in a day if they're lucky, 64% of them actually. Then they make 10 pips on multiple trades. They get a tick or two, or maybe a pip or two. Then they do multiple trades in a day. They try to get to 10. That's not trading. They're getting luckier than fuck, and only 64% of the time. Sorry, professional traders. I know I have several of you in your system, but that's not trading. It's not. That's called fucking gambling. You want to know what trading is? There's trading. I called out this trade on 7/3. I haven't looked at this trade in 21 days, and you're up 130 pips. There's the trade. That's why you stay on the daily weeklies. That's why you want the Holy Grail trades up on the higher time frames, like they're going to be. Screw if you're looking for a Holy Grail trade on a get the fuck. That's not trading. I hope I'm probably pissed off more than half my fans. I don't know. You guys are addicted to gambling when you're doing 15 seconds. I'm not saying you can't make money. I'm not saying it doesn't work with my system. Without my system, you are strictly a gambler anonymous. That's you're addicted to it. With my system, at least you're. What a call! What a trade! Great Keith. Oh, Keith, what's up, Keith? Keith. Keith Palmer's at the house. Keith, we need to talk this morning. Keith, want to talk right now? There's not going to be anything open unless NAS and SPX and US30 are going up. We have no trade to make it open on those because they're too far down. You're either in that trade or you're not. What's up, Keith? The great Keith Palmer, the man, the myth, the legend. What's up, Casey McMahon? Good morning, Jones. Good morning, Stefan. You're in the trade. Ryan Clausen, 718. Congratulations. The trade I was going on about, Keith, is a trade I made on 7th. I forgot all about it. Never even looked at the damn trade. The great Keith Palmer. Good morning, Matt. We were just talking about. Good morning, China. Get out of here. Here's your trading. Fucking buy the system. That's what you need. Good morning, Kim McKenna, MB lady. Good morning, Kim. Aquafina. He's, he's going to tidy up a couple of things today, and we'll be rolling. U.S. oil. Brody asked for U.S. oil. Aquafina. Da, 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 Aquafina. Da, da, da. Aquafina. See? Signal called it out perfectly on July 3rd. Holy shit. The signal called the buy stop when I did. I must have used it. That's kind of odd. Both shots at the time. That's what it is. Called it out perfectly. Made over 130 pips on the trade. Crazy. Crazy in love with you. Crazy. Let's see if we can see something. Waiting for both these to match to agree. And maybe it will show and maybe it won't. So now we have our first time up. Week 2, boom, match, daily take trade. We're going to do a buy. And then we're going to hit it forward. There's another match for us. We can do another buy. Let's take a little bit. There's your money on it. Here it is automatically coming back. Do, do, do. Watch as the sniper blue rises. Oh, took it up too much. The main important thing is your 100% rate. There it is. All she has. It's easy it is to trade that trade. Follow the orders immediately when they match up. Take the trade. You have to do nothing else in this world. As a matter of fact, like, if it was a holy grail trade, you can go right in also. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Hasn't even finished. Continue to take any buy stop on USD CAD until this pink line on the weekly touches the blue line. Take any buys you can find on USD CAD. Mind you on. Good morning, Jan. No worries. Quiet guy. Myosky. Good morning, Jan. Glad you're here anytime. It's perfect timing. Oil. We've done that a few times this morning, but let's take a look at it again. Ooh, I just hit it. Past it. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So 30-second sell stop towards this blue line. 3-minute ricochet. 1-minute ricochet. 3-minute ricochet. Buy stop on US oil 3-minute to its blue line. 5-minute to its 3-minute blue line buy. $30 sell. 30-minute 1 hour sell. Go up a little bit higher than hook. 4-hour buy. 12 hour. Daily. Daily weekly buy. Daily weekly buy. oil. Well, won't we just hold off for oil to go back to $9 a barrel again? I would literally take mortgages out on all my houses. I remember back then, too, people were saying, "Oh, we don't need oil. Oil isn't it?" There's no clueless in this world. You might not like it, but our society's based on it. Oh, it's a fossil fuel. I'll tell you on that. That's oil. Best we can do. See if we got any kind of raise up here in 10 seconds. Buy stop. Buy stop. 10-second buy stop. SPX and NAS. 10-second stop. Oh, can't call it for US 30 though. Wait a second. 10 second. 10 second. 10-second buy stop towards the needs to pull up higher. Needs to pull back up higher. Look, all of these cells, 5 minutes up, 5 minutes up, 5 minutes up. It's yeah, it needs to come up higher. I'm not making any call outs. I'll wait till another 10 minutes, I guess, right? Nothing to play at open for US 30. You're in the cell and you're making money or you're not. Nothing played. Yes, you're in the cell and nothing make. I mean, if you want to play a 10-second buy, feel free. 10-second buy the blue line for NAS. Not a buy for US 30. 10-second towards the 10-second blue line buy for a NAS and SPX. Really? I'm not going to play those trades. I'm in the sell on NAS from yesterday. I'm in a buy on NAS from, I don't know, weeks ago. Yeah, there's nothing. Unless you really want to play a 10-second trade, I'm not doing it. I'm going to be leaving right after market open, like 9:30, 1:30. Won't be back on this evening. Thursday, I'll be on twice tomorrow. And then Friday, times. My anniversary is this weekend. Bree and I already went to St. John, St. Thomas for our first year anniversary. We have a little celebration here locally. Celebration, 1 year marriage, 6 years together. Sweetest, most beautiful, kindest, and smartest wife that a man can be blessed with. Sexiest thing too. And just the kindest, nicest, prettiest. I'm not talking about you either. I'm talking about this very good person, very nice person. She's showed me out over the years. I mean, she's, she's kindness, trust. You know, on about my wife. Yes, I'm sick of her. Do. Go loading. I mean, we need a huge pullback up in order for me to make a trade on the sell now. This has to be big. I'm not making any other trades. I'm locked in content on trades. I'm good on that. I just went free this morning that happened. Thank you, Jackson. Good morning, Cindy. Thank you, Cindy. Yeah, 1 year of marriage, 6 years of knowing each other. Best years of my life. And I love raising my kids. I had two beautiful children, still do, still helping them, still raising them, still bought cars for them last week, just so we're clear. So it never ends when you have children, by the way. It never ends. And then, yeah, it was fantastic. Now, best memories ever was free. I mean, you just can't beat it. You just can't beat it. Someone that loves you back, is kind to you, loving to you, does things for you, and you do things for them. The relationship perfect? Nope. Worked on it? Yep. Have I learned what love languages are? Yep. Have I learned what attachment styles are? Yep. Does that matter? Yep. That's why when I say patience is the love language of trading, 90% of the guys know what the fuck I'm talking about. The women are like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Because patience is the key to trading. You have to be patient when you trade. Follow the rules and be patient. Just like your love languages are extremely important. Words of affirmation, gifts, blah blah blah. Very important to do those things for your wife and for her to do those for you too, like mine's physical touch. I mean, I could literally be joined at the hip with Bree, holding her, kissing her, loving on her, massaging her, the whole 9 yards, 24/7. But that's me. That is not her. She does a lot of that for me, and I do a lot of the things for her. Gifts, words. I've been together for 10 years. I figured it's about time. I know, right? Next is about time, my brother. Yeah, that's a long time. Yeah. 10 years, 5 years. I mean, some people get married after a month or two. Don't get me wrong. I think that's kind of crazy, but what do I know? I think a month or two is a little bit too soon. TikTokers goes the clockers. TikTok, 5 stop, 10 seconds to the blue line. I can't believe I call some of these trades out. They're funny. There she blows. How much time for market open? A little over, well, I'm right at 10 minutes. All right. Anybody have any questions, concerns, comments? Instead of being a whiny person, why don't you speak up now and say, hey, I don't understand this, or hey, I need help with that. Speak up. There's no sense of going to someone else when you have the master of the system here. I created it. I happen to be pretty good at it. I happen to be better than 99% of all of you. The only thing I can say that can do better at me trading is the signal service. The service doesn't do any emotion, so beat me. You want to know how good the system is? I'll put the signal service up against any and all traders in the world. Anybody that wants to trade against the signal service, please let me know. Matter of fact, when we get the Holy Grail trades up and running, I'll take any Holy Grail trade over any signal that anyone else can take ever in their trading careers. The signal service will win. And if by some miracle of God, because that's what it will take, you can beat the signal service, I'll trade against you and we'll do some open trades and we'll see how you do on a real life trade as it's happening before you in real time and see how you do. Good luck with that one. It isn't going to happen. I.e., my system, I give God 100% glory, is 100% better than any other system out there. Oh, other volume works. No, it doesn't. VWAP works. No, it doesn't. Look to the left works. No, it doesn't. Ascending descending works. No, it doesn't. Oh, but naming of candle and patterns work. No, they don't. What the fuck? They're not even candles. People are so fucking weird. No, Fibonacci traces work. No, they don't. Well, if none of that stuff works, yep, 99% of it fails. 1% of the traders are successful, profitable long term. 1%. I'm trying to flip that to 99% who are successful long term and make money profitably all the time consistently. And that's because the system works. And how do we know the system works? Signals. Signals are never wrong. Signals follow the rules. If you follow the rules, you'll never be wrong. The signals aren't wrong. How much more direct can I make it? They're just not wrong. Seems like you are speaking to me directly today, Kev. Many of bad habits. I need more patience and need to set aside the high of trading. Appreciate the heart. There you go, Adam. I agree, Adam. There's a lot of you out there, and we had a nice email from somebody. Thank you for doing this. Is honest to God, one addiction to another, whether it's drugs, alcohol, whether it's gambling, whether it's poker, like I said, it's gambling, whatever. And then they substituted in for trading. And then you guys just use trading to get your highs, trading to get your things, trading. What? No, we learned to trade for real. Look at it. This call was made for real right here. As I told you, and as it goes up, 7 minutes later, open. That's not a huge win. That's not a big win, Kev. Well, it's rules based, it's exact, and you would have got in right here and you would have made to 9 pips. The shit is coming down again. I don't care. You would have just made 8 to 10 pips, which is all a professional trader makes anyways. You would have made it safely by following the rules. There's your buy stop. There it is. Green, 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 red, buy. This is when the pink separated down, so the blue went up. You're talking about a 10-second trade. 10-second trades are not well, I mean, they can be long-term trades, but they're not. So this exact same setup, if it was done on a daily, for instance, all of a sudden, instead of making 10 pips on a daily, you would have made 3,084 pips from here on up. But we're playing a 10-second buy at this time right now, and that's all you're going to get. There it is. That was your little up. There was your pink down. Now it's reloading again to do it again. There's your buy, and that's it. Does it do it again? I don't know. It's already done it once, twice, 3 times. It's forming a new one now. First times are the best. Oh, look, it's going down. It's going down. It's a 10-second fucking trade. I don't know what to tell you all. We need these things to go up, or I'm not taking a fucking trade. See, look at this shit. So I told you to straight down. There's nothing we can do at open. Less than 5 minutes at open, and we need this shit to skyrocket upward. Unless this skyrockets upward, there's nothing I can do. There's no call I can make. I can't help you enter into a sell stop. I can't. It's impossible. Now, if you want to come up here, start looking at your daily buys, feel free. 12-hour buy, absolutely. 12-hour buy, SPX. 12-hour daily buy, NAS. My favorite out of all of this. I love the 7-hour buy on US 30. So if you don't want to play around with horse shit, 15-second trades, then play around with the higher time frame buys. I don't know what to tell you. But until I can get a pullback up on this, I can't call a sell. I'm not going to call these little shitty sells. I'm not doing it. When the 30-second fires and the 1-minute fires, and you take one time frame at a time. So if NAS hits its 30-second Jan, you would then go ahead and wait for SPX in a second. What's up, Shrub? Do you mind explaining filling the gap? Kind of I can do that. It's too close. Here, let me just swing over to the daily watch. All right, right here. Don't let me talk too long. All right, right here. There's a gap between the green, the black space, and the yellow. There's a black gap here. Right here. There's a black gap right here. This green will go up and fill in to the yellow. This green will go up and go past this yellow. And that's filling the gap. The first time is the best. Second time is okay. We're on the third time right now. I love this trade for SPX. Daily buy. Yeah, daily buy. US 30 is forming daily, but it is a weekly buy. Play any buy stop you can on US 30 NAS and SPX until that US 30 weekly is 3 minutes to market open, 3 minutes to market open. Do not play market open in the 5-minute chart. Stephen Kelford. I don't understand you. No, nothing's there, so Stephen. I don't know what something's talking about. All right, so here we go. We have to wait just a few minutes. There you go. US 30 towards this blue line in the money. Watch for NAS and SPX go up to its 10-second line. US 30 touched its blue line. US 30 touched its 10-second blue line. Boom. Buy stop 10 seconds. US 30 NAS and SPX is all I can call. There's nothing else I can call. I'm not even taking the trades, by the way. Do not trade this market open. Demo trade only if you're going to do it. Lock in profit if you're going to do that. I do have a trade yesterday, a sell on NAS. I have 2 buys, one on NAS and one on SPX long term. US 30 just went up and touched its blue line on the 10. We'll just see. If you don't want to play these shitty lower time frames, I'm not even going to call anything out. You guys just do what you want this time. I'm not dealing with it. I'm going to stay on just till market open. A minute and a half from now. Yeah, I don't care. I don't give 2 fucks. I'm locked in profit. If it goes down like a rock, take that money. If it goes up long term, I got to go that too. So I'm good. I'm not taking any trades this morning. No trades for me at market open. No trades for me in about a minute. I'm calling a 10-second buy for NAS and SPX. It's more of a hopeful call to get something to rise up. US 30 already hit its 10-second blue line. Thrilled about that. If you don't want to play 10-second trades, 1 minute sell stop NAS, 1 minute sell stop SPX. If you don't want those, look for your buys. 1 minute sell NAS and SPX. Buy 10 seconds NAS and SPX. I prefer your longer term 12-hour daily buys on NAS, SPX, and US 30. Those are the ones I prefer. Market open, market open. Lock in profits. Don't take any trade. I'm not taking any trades. You do anything you want. Market open. Let's go. Let's go. Give us something. There we go. Careful with your NAS. If you're in that NAS zone, careful with that. I'm telling you. There's your profit on the NAS buy. SPX is in the money. SPX is in the money. I wonder if SPX will beat it to its 10-second line first. US 30, that's fine. There's nothing to do. SPX is heading towards its thing. NAS is in the money on its buy towards its 10-second. Here we go. Oh, I think we're going to get SPX. Is SPX going to beat it? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? SPX buy on the 10-second is in the blue line. Oh, look at this now. That's good. When you made a little money, I still think SPX might be first. Let's see if we can see it. Let's see if we can see SPX first. You go SPX. Maybe not. Fuck, why is it so high? US 30, nothing to do. You're either in the money or not. NAS, you still have time if you want to try to do a buy stop again. Buy stop NAS. Look, 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 look. Oh my goodness, did SPX hit its blue line first? We're doing 10-second trades, this crazy shit. Where the fuck is the blue line at? No. No, not yet. NAS is in the money again. Did NAS hit its blue line yet? No, not yet, but you're in the money again. Once, twice, 3 times of love. All right. That's my calls. You made money at least a little bit there. We'll see. Good enough. Gotta go. All right. God bless you all on TikTok. Hope you made a little money there. Later. See you. Bye. YouTube, any questions before I roll? YouTube, any questions before I roll? Going out of here once. Out of here twice. 3 times a lover. Have a great day, Greg. God bless you all. All right, guys. Take care. Talk to you later.